come to my Ryan's channel, have those Roombas, I take them out. Last time they're cleaning everybody. Okay, now let's start. Okay. So those are the vacuums. And the LeFant always bomb to death. That one has mopping pads. I'll just show you the bottom vacuum. Yeah. I almost damaged it. Yeah. So doesn't have. So when you take this cover out right here, and there is the brush. Look like a roller brush. I let that clean in last time. Even that one rolls. Like this, it's like a wrong way because you cannot put that. It should be the square one to put it back. You turn it where the same spot is. Yeah. I use this. And then you put this back right here. Now you take this out, but I cannot. It's hard. Yeah. This one is the biggest vacuum, mopping pads. Even it could take one out and one stay there. Like that. Okay, let's start. Oh my God. Something happened. Okay. Now we got it. Now it's starting it. The Roomba's starting it. Why is blind? The video is blind now when I want to start the Roomba. Oh, closer? Yeah. Okay.
Roomba is positioned.
Yes, coming now. I've been scared of it. Cleaning up. Yeah. The Roomba's cleaning up the floor. And the LeFant is doing like a bulldozing here. But it doesn't do bulldozing when I put the dust here. Even that Roomba. Even the one you can do. See this part? It's the one you take the part out, but I can't. A lot of sensors here. If you, yeah, I touch. iRobot is here. Even there's a house there. It's to go house. These are the mopping pads. This is the pad from the Roomba. I bought that with my birthday. And this one are the cables. This one parts. That one parts for us. So and then this vacuum cleans with the opening filter. Yeah, I like that. And it cleans the dust up. Even there's a fan over there for taking that one. And the dust right there. Yeah. I hold this Roomba. I think that's the LeFant. Now we are going. Oh my God. That booms. That bumps to the vacuum. And this one does have a camera. And that one has a flap. One there is for buttons. Even though LeFant's cleaning up the dust, but yeah, I don't make a lot of dust around here. Not all of here. Because that Roomba is expensive. It only cleans normal dust, and if the dust bag is installed and install the bag. It's right there. This one has a brush too, and it has a bag right here. It has those ones. The mopping pads and the charger, and that is a header. You cannot see because of this charger is dark. That's why. You only see the cables. Yeah, it's cleaning up right here. Yeah. I'm very sure. So on this paper, I forgot to throw that in the trash. I want to put it right there, but I'm worried it breaks. And that vacuum, it's like a TikTok. Got a Roomba. That's right here. It's right here, but later I don't use that for the Roomba. Yeah, there is one dust right there. You can see that dust. It's that dust right there. So let's let the Roomba clean it. That it found the dust now. It solves the dust. Yeah, it doesn't. I saw it. Yeah. Even the fans doesn't go to that charge. Go right there. That pad is from the Roomba. Now, that Roomba, iRobot, wet. Even, you see, that one pops out. You see? That one, it pops out, goes back in. The LeFant came! The LeFant came. Yeah, he should come out. He should came for a little bit because he sees some dust right here. But the Roomba's cleaning right here. Wow. I don't know why. I don't understand. Even there's 2 buttons and one. That's the LiDAR sensor. It sees the something. If it sees that bumps, that's the LiDAR sensor. It has sensors. It's cleaning up the kitchen. Where mine she cooked. Yeah. With that LeFant. And the blue button is new vacuum. I buy that, but it's blind. That's why it shows a blue dot. It doesn't show the U and a small line there. The LeFant came. The Roomba doesn't came because it came here live. There's a brush too there. LeFant come out. Even the Roomba's cleaning up. Yeah, the Roomba. These are my robot vacuum. This is the Roomba combo 505 combo. I know that vacuum is a combo. If it goes to the charge right there, it will suck the dustbin because it will empty the dustbin because it will open it up. That's right. It's from the dust. 6. Yeah. We're gonna have this toy, but I don't want to break that toy and the ball come off and Roomba cleans it. And you damage the vacuum. I like this vacuum. Yeah. It has hair on it. That's why it's up there. I don't know why it's happening to him. What's happening to his brain? Oh. He forgot to clean his face. Yeah, see? It's lighting it up because of the camera. If I close this light. Yeah, it just come out, but LeFant came. Yeah, this. See, now the vacuum is light up. It sucks one bin, the other bin. Yeah, you cannot see it, guys. My washing machine is starting. Yeah, the camera makes lights. Now it's coming out now. Let's talk about the fan for it. Yo, you see that light? This is right there. Yo, you see? He's coming out, but he doesn't at the moment. Yeah, you cannot see the LiDAR sensor because the vacuum has a LiDAR sensor, but you cannot see it. Coming in. Yeah, saw me. He saw me. Have you seen people? He comes out. Yo, he got one bin. He got one dust in the bin. Yeah, that brush is for no. What just happened?
Cleaning.
Yeah, Lou's cleaning now. Yeah, it's charging. You see, it's just do 2 times. It doesn't do 1 time, it's do 2 times. Okay, bye to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my Roomba combo. Yeah, now it's coming in. It's going in. That's emptying the dustbin. It's gone. Yeah, the LiDAR sensor, now you can see it. It was in there on days. And you cannot see it. Go to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. On the Roomba is the iRobot. It's coming in. Okay, bye. Now it's gonna empty the dustbin and do the water in the other one.
Empty the dustbin.
Look, you see now. Yo, dusting the dustbin now.
Dustbin empty and complete.
See, now it's going over there. Bye.